Here's Jacob. He is golfing today. Golfing a soccer ball.
Not soccer ball, it's golf ball.
Oh, yeah, whatever. Go ahead, Jake.
What? I missed.
Whoa, what just happened?
I broke it.
Jake, you just snapped that club.
I'm sorry.
Let's see your muscles, man. Roll up that sleeve. Flex those muscles.
Kabang!
Oh, let me feel it. Woo-wee!
Kabang pow!
Ouch! That one's hard.
No,
Ah!
calf muscles. My calf muscles are right.
Yeah, let's see those calf muscles.
Look, feel it. Okay.
Let me kick it, see if it hurts.
Ow! You missed.
I missed it.
Stop. What?
Hi, Mom!
Yeah.
Hi, Mom! Oh, she dropped it. Jake! You almost hit me with that. See you later.